Good morning, reception. Are you okay? Fantastic. Okay, so it is time to do some maths. So who can remember our number of the week this week? It was 1 more than 17. 1 more than 17 is 18. Well done. Let's count all the way to 18 and all the way back again. Okay, are you ready? We'll do our claps and our taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And now let's go back. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic. Okay, so first of all, I thought we would sing our doubling song. Remember, double is when we add the same amount of items to another number. So if we had 1 bit of lemon, if we wanted to double it, we would get how many more? That's right, 1. Put them together like that, we've doubled it. Okay, so let's sing our doubling song. Okay. Have you seen the doubling machine? This is how it goes. You put a number in your ear. Let me choose a number. What have I got? 2, that's right. Its double will appear when you touch your nose. Touch your nose. So I've got 2 there. How many do I need here? That's right, another 2. Double 2 equals... You see them there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, let's do it again. You can use your fingers. I'll hold up the number. You can use your fingers. Okay. Have you seen the doubling machine? This is how it goes. You put a number in your ear. 3. So I'll put 3 there. You get 3 fingers. Its double will appear when you touch your nose. Touch your nose. We've got 3 there. How many do you need at this side? Another 3. Double 3 equals... You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double 3 equals 6. Right, let's do one more. Have you seen the doubling machine? This is how it goes. You put a number in your ear. 4, that's right. Hold up 4 fingers. Its double will appear when you touch your nose. Double 4 equals 8. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double 4 equals 8. Perfect. So I'm glad you've all remembered how to double. Now today we're going to have a look at the thing that we were looking at yesterday because that's a bit trickier. Halving. So do you remember we were sharing things equally into groups and finding half of a number? So I thought we'd take it back a bit and remember what half is. So I've got a few items here, okay? I thought we'd start off with this lemon. It's just a toy lemon. Okay. So can you see it's got a line down the middle? So if I put it here, I'm going to use this knife. I'm going to cut it in half. Stop. Half. Half there, half there. If I stick them back together, it makes a whole one. So I've got half. How about the cake? Should we cut the cake in half? Where do you think I need to cut? If I just cut a bit like that, is that half? No, because there's more at this side than there is at this side. When we do half, it has to be the same amount. So let me pop that there. We'll cut it down the middle. We always cut it down the middle and that cuts it in half. There we go. We've got 1, 2, 3 pieces at that side. 1, 2, 3 at that side. It's the same size. Half. Oh, what's this? A banana. Right, if I hold it there, show me where do I need to cut it to be cutting it in half. If I get the knife and cut it there, is that half? No, because that would be a small bit and a really big bit, wouldn't it? Show me where. Well done, in the middle. Now I need a sharper knife. Use a plate as well. So we'll cut it down the middle. There we go. Half. Now I've got two halves. We cut it in half. Well done. Pop that over there. An egg, a toy egg. Let's cut it in half. The same size, look, right down the middle. We've got two pieces that are the same size. I found some Play-Doh, a ball of Play-Doh. Should we cut that in half? Right, let me flatten it out a bit. Make it into a pancake. Okay, right. Show me, where do I need to cut that to make it be in half? Shall I just cut a little bit off here? No, that wouldn't be half, would it? That's it, down the middle. I think the middle's about there, isn't it? Let's cut it in half. There we go. Now we've got two pieces the same size in half. And the last one, I've got a piece of bread. You might have some bread at your house. Okay. Let's cut it. Show me again, where do I need to cut it to make sure it's fair? So imagine two people wanted to eat the bread. One person wouldn't want a little bit. We'd need to make it fair. Show me where I need to. Well done, just there in the middle. So I'm going to cut that in half. Now we've got two pieces the same size. Fantastic. Right, so your job for today is to cut things in half. So you'll need to be very careful because you might need to use a knife or you might need to use some scissors, okay? Because you're going to cut things in half. If your grown-up says you can use the knife, they need to help you with it. If not, your grown-up you might show your grown-up where to cut the things and your grown-up can cut, okay? So you can cut, well, not whatever you'd like. You need to check with your mummies or your daddies first, okay? But have a think of different things that you could cut. So you might have some bread at home. You might be able to cut the bread in half. You might help to make a sandwich for lunch and you might cut it in half. You might have a biscuit that you cut in half. You might have some Play-Doh and you can practice cutting it in half. You might have a banana or an orange or a pear or an apple. Anything you can think of. You could even get some paper and you could fold it in half, okay? But just try to understand that half is when it's the same size. One thing is this size and the other thing is the same size. So that's half. So if I put that back together again and cut it like that, that's not half, is it? No, it has to be fair. Imagine you're trying to share with your friend or your brother or your sister and they all want the same amount of something. Try and get it to be the same size. Okay, so as I say, you can use paper, you could use fruit, you can use real food, you might have some Play-Doh, you might have some pretend food, anything you like. You might have some paper or some card. Fold it in half to make a card. Okay, I will look forward to seeing which imaginative ways you use to do halving today. Okay, so take a picture and pop it on Dojo and I shall see you later on. Bye everyone.